Hey, what's good, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make NFT digital art like CryptoPunk. So let's get right into it. First thing you have to do is go to edit, then preferences, go to general, make sure this is on nearest neighbor for better quality, and go to guides, grid and slices. Make sure grid line every is 1 and pixel. So press OK. After that, go to file, new. Make sure pixels are on 2424 and this is on pixels. Make color, doesn't matter, anything. So just zoom in. As you can see, we got these pixels, and I would say now just grab an image from Google or anywhere, like CryptoPunk, image. For example, this one. Resize it like that. The quality is gonna be bad, that's normal, but after that, go to the brush tool right here. It's supposed to be on brush tool, change it to pencil tool and put the size on 1. So now we have like the same size as the pixels for pencil. Create a new layer, go for like, let's say like that. These are the ears here, like that. Yeah, just like that. That's pretty much the outline, and now you can, if you want, just press on the skin, fill it, delete these wrong pixels. Now we have the skin color. Now we can make the eyes. So I'll make the eyes something dark like that, and the eyebrows like that. Make it a little lighter for the eyes and put it back on black for the mouth and the nose. So if we look at what we worked on here, this is pretty much the CryptoPunk. Now you can freestyle with it, like whatever you want to do. You can just, like, for example, you want to do hair, just anything that you would love to do. You can do anything you want right now. And if you guys interested, I have an NFT pack right here that has a lot of good stuff, I would say. So for example, hairstyle, beards, and it has the hoodie and hats. It has glasses and extra stuff like mask, these masks, cigarettes. It has a lot of stuff. So this is pretty much the video. I tried to keep it short as possible. If you're guys interested, I have this back, and if you want it, you can hit me up on Twitter. And also, guys, I'm selling these NFT punks. If you're not into art and you're trying to resell or sell NFT art, you can go to the description. I dropped the link for my Fiverr. You can go there. It's a trusted site where you can buy off me. I can sell collections or custom NFTs like anime and many different style. So thank you for watching, and make sure to leave subscribe if you're interested in more tutorials like these. And yeah, see ya.